welcome to CDLA.
Hi Jimmy, how are you today?
Good, thank you.
Yeah.
Please come in.
So what inspired you to become a criminal defence lawyer?
Well, criminal defence lawyer. Look, I ended up doing a course back in university, and that course really triggered my interest in advocacy. And then I realised the most amount of advocacy in any area of law is actually in criminal law, and so that kind of sparked my interest in criminal law because of the interesting kinds of cases and the challenges involved in advocacy.
So what are the most important skills and qualities a criminal lawyer should have compared to lawyers in other fields?
The most important quality a lawyer should have, especially particularly in criminal law, is actually communication skills. That's the most important, and communication skills doesn't just mean being able to articulate words. It actually is more about frequency of contact and communication with all relevant people involved in a case. Not only prosecution, not only defence witnesses, also your clients, and also your colleagues at the office as well.
Tell us, what's the most rewarding part of your job?
Yeah, look, the most rewarding part of this job is going to have to be the difference that you make in people's lives. And it's not just the clients' lives that we make a difference in, it's actually also all of their nearest and dearest, including their dependents, their kids, their partners, their family members, that are all also affected by the outcome of the case. And if I do my job properly, then that makes a pretty big difference for our clients at the end of the day in obtaining justice.
And what advice would you give to someone considering a career in criminal law?
Advice would be, look, I could answer that question at the same time as answering, what would I do if I could rewind time as well, because I didn't do this and I wish I did, which is get some practical experience before I finished my law degree. So if you want to get your foot in the door, start working in a law firm. It doesn't have to be a criminal law firm necessarily, but any law firm, because it's still going to give you some skills that you can use in whatever career path you wish to pursue in law. So get some experience, learn how to be confident in talking to people, learn communication skills. All these kinds of things are things that you don't learn at universities.